All right, it's on there. What do you think?
Man, it looks a lot better.
I agree. I agree.
On my side, the passenger, the LA whip. It's all good, I got love for my LA chicks.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Clutch392, and we are back with another banger. And today we're going to be installing our very first cosmetic mod on the last call Red Eye jailbreak. We had the rear diffuser, we had the 5-inch exhaust tips, and we even have a little complimentary tag frame that you'll see that's carbon fiber. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. I'll be showing you guys how to install a lot of things on these cars, so it saves you a little bit of money at home. So yes, you that's watching this video, smash that subscribe button. Let's dive in. All right, so first things first, guys, you are not gonna have to jack your car up like this. I simply did it just for the convenience of me being able to get up underneath this car and film this video easily for you guys and give you guys a nice view of what I got going on. Now, here is the carbon fiber rear diffuser. I mean, look at this thing, guys. Absolute beauty. Big upgrade. Check out the fins. Let me go ahead and pull it out for you guys. So when you do get it, it is gonna come nicely packaged, bubble wrap, as you can see. So everything's going to be taken care of, but look at this material. As compared to this, guys, this right here is what we're getting rid of. I don't know what Dodge was thinking with keeping that plain Jane. It's just like a flat black or a matte black rear diffuser on there. It's got to go. It looks like it belongs on something like a Corolla or a Camry or something. As for all of my Challenger guys, don't worry. I know I got a lot of Challenger subscribers on this channel. I also did a video installing the ZL1 rear diffuser, so you can go and check that out. I'll drop the link right here. So we have the carbon fiber rear diffuser that we're going to be putting on. We also have the license plate frame, and let me show you guys. This right here really broke my heart. So I bought these 5-inch exhaust tips. And no, guys, they're not going to be going on today. The plan was to put these on today. They are from Big Boys, as you can see there. These things are absolutely beautiful. Can you imagine what these things would look like sticking out of there? Oh, man, it would be absolutely amazing. So here's the reason why I'm not going to be putting these 5-inch exhaust tips on today. They were beautiful. They're not the same color as the body of my car, so I may have been getting them painted, but they did kind of match my Hemi orange brakes back there. So that would have been nice. The only reason why I am shipping these back is because, guys, on their website, they advertised that they were orange with their black logo. But when they arrived, they were orange. But guys, check out this logo. There is absolutely no paint there. That is bare metal. I hope the camera's picking that up. So two to 3 days of driving this out in the weather, guys, that's gonna rust up on me. Now let's get into the installation process. In order to install that rear diffuser on here, it is very simple, guys. The only thing that you're going to need is a flathead and a ratchet with a 7mm socket. That is it, guys. For purposes of this video, to speed things up, I'm gonna be using my drill, but like I said, this is all you're gonna need. All right, so here's the first rivet that you're gonna wanna take out. It's gonna be one of these on each side. Like I said, you're just gonna take your flathead. There's really no paint in this area. It's over here, but still be careful not to scratch your car, and you're just going to pull down just like that. Next up, we're gonna move over here to these bolts. This is where you would normally use your 7mm socket, but like I said, I'm gonna be using my drill just to speed things up for the purpose of this video. For the next part of this video, it's best if you have a second person there. You can do it yourself, but it's a lot easier if you have a second person. So I went and got my right-hand man right here. You've seen him in previous videos. He's just growing up really fast. So we're gonna get this rear diffuser off. So if you'll start here on this side. So this part right here is actually heart-wrenching. It's gonna sound like you're breaking something, but you're really not. All you have to do is just grab from one of the ends and just give it a good tug. Just pull. Whew, that sounded bad. So yeah, so guys, this right here is why you wanna have a second person here, just to match up all these clips. So we're gonna get rid of this one. Now that that's removed, you can see all of the little openings that you gotta line all the clips up with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna grab this carbon fiber one. If you'll grab a hold of one end, you're just gonna bring it over. All right, and we'll work on getting this lined up. All right, so guys, there we go. Night and day difference. Look at that fitment. And as you saw, there were just little clips in there. All you had to do, they lined up perfect. All you had to do is give them a little bit of force, knock them in one by one. But besides that, man, I mean, it is good to go. Now, my factory 4-inch exhaust tips, man, if only I could have been able to put these oranges on. Guys, look at that. That would have fit so much better. But like I said, I got the carbon ones coming soon, so those will be going on. I'll finish up by putting on this license plate frame, the carbon fiber one to match, and that's gonna be it. And just like that, guys, that is it. Over and done with. This is literally like a 5-minute do-it-yourself project that you can do at home, and it does not have to be a red eye. Any charger. There's going to be a link in my description where you can click on, and it'll show you where you can purchase these products at. But until next time, make sure that you guys smash that subscribe button and stay tuned. So many more mods to come. Let me give you some glamour shots.